Well, you can create a new snippet by clicking on the snippets folder and click on the add new snippet option in here, and then provide the name to the snippets. That will be like product loop, and that is what we call create snippet. Now after some time, it will take a few minutes if depending on your internet speed, a product loop.liquid file will be created, and it will be completely empty in here. I'm going to get back to index.liquid file in here, and then I'm going to add a piece of code in here and explain it with detail. As you can see that I have added some chunk of code in here. At the first of the line 14, you will be seeing not unfamiliar statement, that is assign collection is equal to collections.frontpage, as we have done this before in assign pages equal to pages.frontpage. Collections.frontpage is the default collection page which actually comes with every shop in the Shopify. So in this way, you have the div section that contains the index collection, which means that all the index collection will be clear fixed within the way. And after that, we are actually taking the title of that collection page, and that is the front page for that. And after that, we are actually looping through each product inside that collection page. So if there are 20 to 30 products, then we're going to loop through each 20 to 30 products. And the limit 8 means that we are going to show only 8 products in the front page. And after that, we're going to include the product loop in here, and after that we're going to close the for loop. But this statement alone would not actually output anything. We're going to have to actually do some tweaks in the product loop.liquid file, and after that it will show something on the index.liquid file, that is our default page. I'm going to get back to the products.loop liquid file in here, and then I'm going to add a piece of code in here. As you can see that I have added the div section in here in the product-loop.liquid file, and in this this div section is wrapping each of our product, and the cycle is actually a tag, which is a very cool feature that can be used inside a for loop, and that outputs something after every nth iteration of the for loop. And in this section, I'm using the last class. This is actually used for the CSS, and this is used for designing purpose and something like that. So this is actually the CSS class name, and we are using it for targeting every 4th product in a row. So we're going to be actually designing and other things and in a later on case after in that section. If you want to have more information on the cycle tag, then you can get into the cycle tag option in here, docs.shopify.com, themes, liquid basics, logic, sharp C cycle. So in here you can find out the different if, else statements, includes, layouts, and many more regarding Shopify. So for the input statements, you can also find out the assign, the capture, the comments, and not only that, but you can get into the liquid basics too. Now back to the product loop.liquid, I'm going to add some code in here. As you can see that I have added this chunk of code in between the div opening and closing tag of that cycle tag. So now you might be confused that what this code do. Well, before doing anything else, I want to show you that from where I have actually got those codes. I'm just going to open a new area in here, and I'm going to visit this products page in here. As you can see that in the products page in the official documentation of Shopify, we have several different options for the product available, for the product collection, comparative maximum price, minimum price, and description, featured image, all, handle, ID, images, and many more. You can get the reference from this page, which is available at docs.shopify.com/theme/liquid-variable/product. And here on you could reference all of these stuff. So from there on, I have actually put on the product thumb from this area. Here you can find out the different sections and different options for your image and other things like that, so you can put it on, and as well as all of the code. So what I'm doing is I'm just enclosing the product thumb, which is actually referring to the image, and then I'm providing a anchor tag for that product URL from where it will be picked up, and that is actually stored inside our products area collection. We have actually already imported a CSV file in which we have already put on all of our products. And after that, I'm just going to provide the image and its link. So it is actually a featured image, and its size will be actually medium, and the alt will be provided to it, that what is the title or description in that case. And I'm going to provide the product title from the product title tag, and as well as the product URL with that case, and as well as outputting and showing to the people with the help of product.title1. And after that, I'm going to output in another tag that will be the product's price, that what kind of price it would be. And there will be an if condition, that if the product.price varies, then from int f. So you're going to have to provide that if the product price varies, means it is not constant. If it changes from time to time, then you're going to have to show the product in that case. So in there, I have actually added the piece of code. Now it's time to show the logic.